Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, enable two-factor authentication, and decide minimal scopes you need. Next, open GitHub settings, go to Developer Settings, right arrow Personal Access Tokens, and click Generate. When prompted, select only the scopes required for your task because least privilege reduces risk. Copy the token immediately into a secure manager. GitHub will not show it again. Once done, note expiration settings and consider a short-lived token or refresh schedule to limit exposure. You now configure how Git uses the token. For local machines, enable the system credential helper so Git stores the token securely. Run git config global credential. Helper manager core or OSCSchain. For automation, inject the token as an environment variable in CI and mark it secret. Reference GitHub token or GH token in scripts. Alternatively, authenticate with the GitHub CLI. Run GH auth login. Choose HTTPS and paste the token. Make sure to restrict token scope and expiration to limit. You finish by storing the token securely and verifying access. Perform a git fetch, push, or use GH API to confirm the granted scopes work. Set a rotation policy and revoke tokens you no longer use. If something goes wrong, first clear cached credentials and re-enter the token, then verify two-factor authentication status, token expiration, and that required scopes are set. As a key troubleshooting tip, if authentication fails after changes, revoke the token and create a new one with the exact scopes you need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.